Hello and welcome to City Council Roundup. In this episode, we're going to cover two topics from the City Council meeting conducted with participation both online and in person on Monday, January 25th, 2021. Topics include a utility billing and system review report and a contract for the John Hargrove Water Reclamation Facility expansion. First, the utility billing and system review report. Back in 2019, the city identified a discrepancy from a decision made in 2018 that resulted in adoption of a meter reading schedule that differed from the billing schedule. This resulted in a growing backlog of unbilled consumption. The agreed fix in 2020 was to implement what's known as the 3230 plan to catch up over time to the unbilled consumption. Detailed information is available on the website, including a dashboard of performance metrics. Fast forward to December 2020, the city awarded a contract to Raftellus Financial Consultants for utility billing process and systems report to assess the organization of the city's utility billing operations as another avenue in continuous improvement for the water utility that has grown so much and so quickly along with the city of Pearland. Raftellus provided a list of 16 total recommendations divided into 4 categories of management and cultural practices, process improvements, structure and staffing, and technology. Council had an in-depth discussion following the Raftellus presentation, and some of the highlights include the city should focus on rebuilding trust with customers by establishing procedures, systems, and culture to support continuous improvement. The city may want to consider alternatives to the 3230 plan, and there are no systemic issues with the city's billing system. 100% of the 38,000 plus bills Raftellus tested were accurate. The agenda item was only a presentation, so no awards or final decisions were needed. The Utility Billing Citizen Ad Hoc Advisory Committee will review the entire report, make recommendations, and City Council will act upon those recommendations at a future meeting. At the same time, staff continues to make progress to deliver improvements such as the successful completion of 40,000 meter changeouts.
Number 2. An update to the design contract for the John Hargrove Water Reclamation Facility expansion project. The John Hargrove Water Reclamation Facility serves the southern central wastewater basin within the city and receives smaller flows from the Longwood and Southdown basins. The facility, constructed in 1998, was designed to treat 2 million gallons a day on average daily flow and expanded in 2007 to 4 million gallons a day. With increased population, plant flows to the facility have met the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality's 75% capacity trigger, prompting planning for another expansion to the plant for a total 6 million gallons a day of treated water. Updated cost estimates for construction provided by the city contractor were valued at approximately $5 million over the earlier $65 million projected for the project, which was a budget number developed before design was undertaken. Through the design process, items were identified for reduction, removal, or alteration that reduced construction cost estimates. And to realize the $5.3 million in savings, revisions to the existing design plan needed to be made. As such, Council approved the design contract amendment number 2, which will complete the design and provide construction phase engineering, construction management, and oversight with Ardura Group for additional design and construction phase services for the John Hargrove Water Reclamation Facility expansion in the amount of $3.6 million. And that's all we wanted to cover today. Thanks for watching. You can find links to more detailed information by visiting pearlandtx.gov, or you can visit the links below. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Click here to watch the last episode of City Council Roundup, or here to subscribe to the channel.